Imagine a world where doctors can detect diseases in seconds, where classrooms are tailored to every student's unique learning style, and where entire blockbuster movies are created by artificial intelligence. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it's not, it's happening right now. Hi everyone, and welcome back to Care You Animation. If you're passionate about AI or just curious about the incredible ways it's changing our world, you're in the right place. From revolutionizing the way we work to reshaping how we live, AI is driving innovation at a pace we've never seen before. In this video, we're going to break down what AI really is, showcase Today, we're diving deep into how AI is transforming industries like healthcare, entertainment, and beyond. Today, we're diving deep into how mind-blowing real-world applications tackle its challenges head-on and take a look into the future to see where it's headed. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming. Mind-blowing real-world applications, because by the end, you'll not only understand AI's impact, but you'll be inspired to be part of this incredible transformation. Ready to explore? Let's get.
Section 1. What is AI? So, what exactly is AI? Simply put, artificial intelligence refers to machines or systems that can mimic human intelligence, like learning, reasoning, and problem-solving. Sounds futuristic, right? But it's already part of our everyday lives. Think about the last time you used Siri or Google Translate. That's AI in action, helping us navigate, communicate, and even make better decisions. AI isn't just one thing. It's a combination of technologies like natural language processing, computer vision, and machine learning. These tools power everything from chatbots to self-driving cars. But where AI truly shines is when it starts transforming industries. Let's take a look at some jaw-dropping examples. Section 2. AI in action. Real-life examples. Let's start with healthcare, a field where AI is literally saving lives. AI-powered tools can analyze medical images faster and more accurately than most doctors, helping detect diseases like cancer early on. And robotic surgeries? They're precise and less invasive, thanks to AI. In education, AI is personalizing the learning experience. Apps like Duolingo adapt to your progress, giving you the exact lessons you need. Imagine a classroom where every student has their own personal tutor. That's the future AI is building. And who doesn't love a good movie or playlist recommendation? AI algorithms on Netflix and Spotify know your taste better than some of your friends. In business, chatbots and virtual assistants are handling customer queries 24/7, while AI-powered analytics help companies make smarter decisions. AI is clearly changing the game, but like any powerful tool, it comes with its own set of benefits and challenges. Section 3. Benefits and challenges first. Let's dive into the positives. AI is a game changer in how we experience efficiency, convenience, and personalization. Imagine the ability to diagnose diseases with an accuracy that far exceeds traditional methods. AI can analyze medical data, such as scans or test results, in a fraction of the time it would take a human, all while pinpointing even the smallest anomalies that could be missed by the naked eye. This could mean earlier diagnoses, more lives saved, and better treatment outcomes. On a more everyday level, AI is transforming mundane tasks. From automatically sorting through emails to managing your calendar or even optimizing supply chains for businesses, AI eliminates repetitive tasks that would otherwise take up time, leaving humans to focus on more creative or complex challenges. AI also enhances personalization, whether it's curating the perfect playlist based on your mood, recommending movies or TV shows you're likely to enjoy, or even tailoring online shopping experiences to your exact preferences. The goal is to make life smoother, more efficient, and ultimately more enjoyable. But it's not all smooth sailing. As we embrace AI, we must also confront its challenges. One of the biggest hurdles is the quality of the data AI is trained on. AI learns from patterns in data, so if the data is flawed, incomplete, or biased, the outcomes can be too. Imagine an AI that's trained on biased hiring data. This could lead to unfair hiring practices or discriminatory decisions, perpetuating existing inequalities. AI is only as good as the data it's fed, and this is a critical issue that needs constant attention. Another pressing challenge is job displacement. As automation becomes more advanced, many traditional jobs could be replaced by AI, from customer service representatives to drivers, accountants, and even content creators. The real question is, how do we prepare for this shift? How do we ensure that workers are not left behind as their roles become obsolete? While some argue that new jobs will emerge, it's important to understand the societal impact of such a major change and work proactively to reskill the workforce for this new era. These challenges bring us to an important realization: with great power comes great responsibility. AI is a powerful tool, but its potential for good or harm depends entirely on how we use it. As we continue to innovate, we must hold ourselves accountable for the ethical implications of these technologies. This means addressing concerns around bias in AI, ensuring transparency in its decision-making processes, and striving for fairness in all AI applications. How we choose to wield AI will ultimately shape its impact on society, and it's up to us to ensure that this power is used in ways that benefit everyone, not just a select few. Section 4. The future of AI in our lives. So, what does the future of AI really look like? Well, experts predict that AI will become even more deeply integrated into our everyday lives, in ways we might not even realize yet. In healthcare, imagine a world where virtual doctors are available 24/7, providing immediate consultations, diagnosing conditions from the comfort of your home, and even suggesting personalized treatment plans. AI could analyze your medical history, current symptoms, and even genetic information, helping doctors make faster, more accurate decisions, and saving lives in the process. We might also see the development of completely AI-generated medicines, specifically tailored to your unique biological needs, which could revolutionize the way we treat diseases and conditions. In entertainment, the future is just as exciting. We could soon experience fully AI-generated films, where the storyline, characters, and visuals are all created by AI, but still personalized to your specific tastes. Imagine watching a movie where the plot twists, dialogue, and characters evolve based on your preferences and emotional responses. AI could revolutionize how content is created and consumed, turning it into something that's uniquely tailored to each individual. From music to video games, AI is already influencing creative industries, and it's only going to become more sophisticated as time goes on. One thing is absolutely clear: AI is not just a tool that makes our lives easier, it's evolving into a true partner in innovation. As AI continues to improve, it's going to reshape the way we live, work, and connect with the world around us. It will help us solve some of our greatest challenges, spark new industries, and redefine entire fields of knowledge. From smarter cities to personalized learning, AI is paving the way for a future that's both exciting and unpredictable. Now, I want to hear from you. How do you think AI will impact your life in the next 5 years? Will it help you advance in your career, solve a problem you've been grappling with, or maybe even inspire your next big idea? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Let's continue the conversation and share ideas about the exciting possibilities AI holds for all of us. Conclusion and call to action. To wrap things up, AI is transforming our world in ways we couldn't have imagined just a decade ago. From revolutionizing healthcare and saving lives with faster, more accurate diagnoses, to reshaping industries like entertainment by creating hyper-personalized experiences, the potential of AI is truly limitless. But with all its power and possibilities comes the responsibility to use it wisely and ethically. AI is a tool that has the capacity to either uplift or harm depending on how it is developed, deployed, and governed. That's why it's crucial for all of us, regardless of our backgrounds or fields of expertise, to understand AI and its implications. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a student, a healthcare professional, or someone simply curious about the future, AI has the potential to make a significant impact on your life and work. The key is to embrace learning about it, engage with its evolving applications, and think critically about how we can use AI for the greater good. This is a time of incredible opportunity, and everyone has a role to play in shaping AI's future. If you found this video insightful, make sure to hit that like button and share it with anyone who might be curious about the incredible ways AI is changing the world. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth explorations of the technologies shaping our future. And if you're hungry to dive deeper, check out our related videos for even more content on AI, its applications, and what lies ahead. The future of AI is here, and it's up to us to learn, adapt, and contribute to its positive evolution. Let's continue this journey together, explore new ideas, and build a future that's smarter, fairer, and more connected. See you in the next video.